y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we are finally going to be seeing what I got in my Boxycharm Premium for March of 2020. As you guys know, this is going to be a Fenty Takeover box, so all the products that are coming in this month's box is Fenty Beauty. So we know the products that are coming in the box, but we don't know what shades came in my box specifically, so I'm excited to see what I got in my box, see if I want to keep anything, see if I want to throw anything up on Poshmark. If you guys don't know, I do have a Poshmark. I sell a lot of makeup items there. If you guys sign up and use my referral CONNORKRYSTYN, you get a $10 credit. So if I have something posted for say $15, you use your $10 credit and you're only paying $5. So that's why the whole referral thing is really cool, to give you a $10 credit. I just wanted to throw that out there. I do have a feeling that a few of these items are going to go up on my Poshmark, just so you know. I just wanted to throw that out. But anyways, if you have not already, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And if you have not subscribed to my ASMR channel yet, please do so. There's a link down in the description. I would love to see you guys support me over on that channel as well. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Honestly, I hope that I get some good shades in here. If not, it's not going to be the end of the world, but I am hoping to actually enjoy a few of the items in here. Okay, so here is the Fenty box. We have the little card that's going to give us all of the prices of everything, and let's go ahead and get into it. So the very first item here, I'm just going to set this box here. The very first item we're going to go over is the eyeshadow palette, and it has a retail value of $29 when really it actually originally retailed for I think 50 something, but they're saying that the MSRP is $29, even though this is the sale price because it is on sale for $29. So I think that's a little weird, but whatever, just my opinion that we're going off the sale prices for the first time ever. So here's the palette. It's the Moroccan Spice palette. I think the packaging is actually so pretty. The only thing is that it's a sticker on the back, which makes it really cheap, and the sticker's not even down all the way. Okay, anyways, but the packaging, very pretty. I really like the packaging. Let's see the actual oh, so this palette is really freaking pretty. I don't know if I want to actually throw this up on my Poshmark, if I want to actually keep it, because some of these shimmers are actually so pretty. I don't know. I think I really do kind of like this palette. I don't know. We'll see. I might keep it. I don't know. And then we have the Fenty, what is this? Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick in the shade Confetti. So let's take a look at this one. This one has a retail value of $25. Here is the component here, and let's take a look. So here's the little stick. I'm gonna do a little swatch, just a nice iridescent shade. It's definitely pretty, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna wear it. I mean, I might. It's really pretty. I think I'm gonna hang on to this as well, at least for a little bit, and see if I ever want to get some use out of it. I'm not sure, but it is really pretty. And I did get rid of all of my holographic highlighters, so maybe I will keep it because I kind of feel like I need one in my collection. I don't know, it's really pretty. I actually am pretty impressed with that. I kind of thought once I got the box and I see the products in person, I was gonna like them more, so anyways, the next in here is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife, which is the golden yellow, and this one has a value of $36. Shouldn't this be in here? Did anybody else get their little thing that's supposed to go in the palette not on the palette? That's kind of weird. Okay, anyways, here's the highlighter. Mine looks like it's been swatched, does it not? That circle all the way around it. Huh. Interesting. Maybe that's why the plastic wasn't on it. Okay, let's give it a go. Wow. It is definitely golden. Will I ever rock this? I have no idea. You know what? It's late. Let's just take a little look. No. We don't like this at all. Not for me, not the yellow. Anyways, let's go on with the next thing. This is the, what is this? Invisimate blotting paper, and this retails for $16. Oh, this is tiny. I thought this would be a lot bigger, but it's not. It's very, very small. You don't even get a lot. I am gonna throw this up on my Poshmark. I'm not even gonna open it. I don't need it. So, wow, that's disappointing. Yeah, anyway, $16 for that. I would never. Then we have the, what is this? The Mademoiselle in PMS. They're a little like lipstick. This has a retail value of $18, and we have a brown shade. Packaging is actually really cute though. Oh yeah, this one is definitely brown. I don't know if I will ever use this, so I think I'm going to throw this up on my Poshmark because, like, I don't think I'm ever going to see myself wearing a brown lipstick like this. So Poshmark it will go. And then the last item, which I am most excited for, this is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Illuminizer, and this is the shade Diamond Milk. I think we're all getting this shade, and it retails for $19. Oh yes, mommy, I'm so excited about this. I've heard nothing but good things about their glosses, so I'm gonna try this on right now. Oh, it smells like, I don't even know, but it smells really good. Wow, that smells like really good. This is the best thing in the box, honestly, 100%. So yeah, that's everything that I got in this box. If you guys enjoyed, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. I'm sorry that I'm so like, but it's really late at night. I spent all day trying to do some grocery shopping, and it turned out to be a very hot mess. It looked like a war zone happened in those stores. There was nothing there. It was insane. Like my eyelashes even like half coming off. That's the day I've had, but I wanted to quickly film this little video for you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a nice hot shower. My hair was curled today, but it was also raining, so yeah, that ruined it. But anyways, I guess that is it for this video. I don't have anything else to say, so that's what I got on my Boxycharm premium for this month. Not exactly excited about it, but you know, whatever. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!